Let's make this sterling silver personalised disc bracelet. All of these materials can be bought as a project kit by clicking on the link in the description. Place the silver discs on a heat-proof brick and heat each one up individually using a hand blowtorch until it briefly glows red. Leave to cool for a minute and then pick each disc up using tweezers. Quench these in water, then add to a warm safety pickle solution. Leave in the solution for 5 minutes or until they're clean. When clean and dry, place a silver disc on the steel block. Place your stamp image face down onto your silver disc. Hold the stamp in place with one hand and hit the top of the stamp with a household hammer or impress art hammer. Repeat this on all 3 discs. The 10mm discs come as a pack of 5. So if you make a mistake or you're unhappy with how the stamped disc has turned out, you've got 2 spare. When stamping jewellery, you might want to practice on a piece of copper first. Open an oval jump ring by gripping the jump ring with 2 pairs of pliers. Use a twisting action to open the jump ring. Close the jump ring by gripping the jump ring with both sets of pliers and twisting to close. Repeat this so that you link all 3 discs together. Using reverse action tweezers to hold the jump ring, add a small amount of solder paste to cover the join on the jump ring. Heat the jump ring gently with a hand blowtorch until the solder melts and flows. Leave to cool for a minute and then quench in water. Repeat this process for the second jump ring, soldering the jump ring and then cooling it in water. Add the joined discs to a warm safety pickle solution and leave for 5 minutes or until clean. Decide on the length you want your finished bracelet to be. The average bracelet is 7.5 inches long. To make the bracelet 7.5 inches long, for this bracelet, we use 12 links either side. Take the chain bracelet and cut the links using wire or side cutter pliers. Adjust the number of links you want to keep or remove to make a longer or shorter bracelet. Open an oval jump ring, thread the open jump ring through the hole on the disc and add the chain. Close the jump ring by gripping the jump ring with 2 pairs of pliers and gently twisting to close. Repeat on the other side so your 3 discs are now in the middle of your chain bracelet. Using reverse action tweezers, hold the jump ring and add a small amount of solder paste to cover the join on the jump ring. Heat the jump ring gently with a hand blowtorch until the solder melts and flows. Leave to cool for a minute and then quench in water. Repeat this process for the second jump ring, soldering the jump ring and then cooling in water. Add the joined discs to a warm safety pickle solution and leave for 5 minutes or until clean. To polish, you can rub the bracelet with a silver polishing cloth. You can also use a barrel tumbling machine with water, shot and barrel bright. To make the stamp details dark, use a cocktail stick dipped in platinol and draw in the detail. Give the bracelet a final polish with a polishing cloth. If you like this project, you can buy all the materials on the Cooksongold website